Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, we've experienced everything. Crypto market breaking down very quickly, the flash crash actually recovering, and now Bitcoin actually sitting close to 99,000 and showing signs of a potential recovery. What does this all mean? Well, in simple terms, this gives you perspective that the tariffs, when it got implemented, there was a little bit of panic from a lot of retail investors and the whales taking profit. But when we did come down, a lot of big institutional money actually flew into the Bitcoin market. And that's why you notice that Bitcoin climbed very quickly while the altcoins are slowly recovering. Now, the best way to see that is yesterday, the Bitcoin's dominance was close to 58%, but now it's sitting close to 60%. So let me tell you one thing, we're about to recover very quickly. You need to get into tokens which are going to be good. The one I have been talking about from past couple of days is Wall Street Pepe. If you guys do not know, the original Pepe coin has been struggling a little bit, and at the same time gives you a little bit of opportunity to get into this token because the amount of potential it has is kind of impressive. And Wall Street Pepe does exactly that. Now this token is coming to an end very soon. The pre-sale has been running for a little bit, and now you can see that the last 12 days of the pre-sale are right now. So this is probably your final opportunity to buy into it before the token goes live. They ended up raising close to $70 million worth of USDT even before the token went live. So you guys know that the team behind this is actually very experienced. They do have big plans coming for this token, so this would be your perfect opportunity to get into it early. Another thing, for the people who do not know anything about this token, well, it's simple. Wall Street Pepe hates the whales which are hiding in insider groups, so he decided to make his own. Join Pepe token army, frogs stay strong together. So pretty much it is a token which is going to be acting as an alternate to Pepe, because Pepe now is being controlled heavily by big whales, and this one is much smaller market cap. Even if it makes it to halfway point, you guys know it's going to be huge, because Pepe's market cap right now is sitting close to 4.3 billion. Half of that is 2 billion. So from where Pepe is sitting right now, half of that could be insanity. Now, catching the whales, that's the first idea. That rich frogs march together, Frog Street takeover, fast lane to fortune, and then this is going to be your token supply when it goes live. It's close to 200 billion right now, but obviously, as you know, in the future we might be experiencing a little bit of a supply burn and things like that. Talking about their Twitter, it has a huge following, close to 43,000, and their reach is quite impressive. The tweet about this token has over 500,000 views, so you guys know there is a lot of whales which are paying attention to this, and that's why they have raised nearly $70 million worth of USDT even before the token went live. Their audit was perfect. There is no problems with it. This is just talking about how the full project is not released yet. Once the pre-sale comes to an end, they will be able to go ahead and do more things relating to it. And Telegram has about 20,000 subscribers, so there is a huge army. And if you do decide to purchase it right now, you can actually go ahead and stake it away for 18% return per annum. So you don't have to be patient and just sit there and get no return and you're waiting for the pre-sale to come to an end. You can simply buy and then you can go ahead and stake it away for about 18% annum return. And let me tell you one thing, this return will definitely go lower as more and more people will be buying into this token. Now, one thing I do want to mention is this is a meme coin at the end of the day, so make sure you guys do your own research. This is not financial advice. I mean, personally, this is just my opinion. At the end of the day, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you guys do your own research. But if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. You just need to click on the link. It will bring you to this website. You can click on buy with card or buy with crypto. If you decide to do with crypto, you just need to connect your wallet that you personally use. Then you can just select the amount of Ethereum or USDT you would like to convert into Pepe. Buy, don't forget to stake it away. If you just look at the overall crypto market right now, the status that we're seeing and how volatile the market is, there's definitely a lot of opportunity that will be presented. And I know for a fact that Pepe, once it's released, there is going to be a lot of buzz around it. And let's just say the team which was able to raise $70 million, nearly $70 million in just the pre-sale, you know they're going to be working very hard when it comes to what happens after the pre-sale. And it's already been mentioned in very big articles. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.